Hello, and welcome back to Total Combatives. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your own practice rope dart. So let's get with it. This is going to be a really easy project. It won't take much. And again, the only materials you are going to need is a long length of paracord, about 13 feet, and a tennis ball. And then you will need some sort of tool in order to get holes in your tennis ball. A drill with a 1/4 inch bit is probably the best way to do it. So I'm going to start by drilling a hole in each side of the tennis ball. And again, try to get it on the exact opposite side of the tennis ball. Okay, so that was pretty easy. I now have my tennis ball with a hole on each end, and I have 13 feet of paracord. So you're going to start by taking one end of the paracord and doing a simple loop in the end. And that is going to serve as the anchor for your anchor hand. That way you can loop it and you won't lose the string when you go to make shots and stuff. So then after you make a loop on one end of the string, get the other. I've got mine all tangled up all of a sudden. Okay. And you need to thread the paracord all the way through the ball. The easiest way I found to do that is take a little extra on each side and take a flathead screwdriver and kind of just work it along like that. And use it as a sort of awl to kind of thread it through. And I didn't get it. It takes a while to get it just right. Nope. Let's do it again. Okay, got it. So then pull that other end all the way through. What you're going to want to do from here is tie a knot at the very end of the paracord. Get that nice and tight. And then what you're going to want to do is tie this to the string on the other side. So you got your free end, you want to tie that to the longer rope. And just do a simple knot around that. Tighten it all up. I like to kind of work the knot close to the other knot. That way it looks nice and uniform. Get it nice and tight. And then tighten up that string. You now have a simple and user-friendly practice rope dart. That way, if you're doing tricks and you accidentally hit yourself in the back or the head, which I have done with a real rope dart before, and it does not feel good whatsoever. But if you do it with this, it won't hurt as bad, if at all. But yeah, there you go. Now let's take it outside and give it a try. Came out well. It's really well balanced. It feels a lot like the real rope dart that I use in my other videos. So it's a great trainer. Have fun with it. Get used to swinging it around a little bit. If you do hit yourself, which will happen, it really doesn't hurt at all. So a real rope dart, I've been hit by it twice and it hurts. Now if you would like to get some lessons in how to use that, I'm hoping to be uploading a new video on rope dart how-tos and tutorials about every other week. I'm going to be alternating between nunchuck how-to videos and rope dart how-to videos. So stay tuned, give you a new technique every other week or so. That'll be 2 weeks of practice, which is perfect for mastering the different techniques. Now, if you made your own rope dart and you enjoyed this video, please smash the thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. That way when I do create my how-to videos and demonstrations, you will be notified. That way you can stay up to date, learn as I upload them, and you can be one of my YouTube students.